Trump Media merging with a nuclear fusion power company. Yeah, you heard that right. The company is called TAE Technologies, based in Orange County, California. The combined fusion power and media companies will be co-run by the nuclear team, a gentleman I spoke with about an hour ago named Michael Binderbauer, and the media team led by former politician Devin Nunes. Investors like the deal. Trump Media shares soaring on the news, on pace for its best day in nearly 2 years. Michael told me on the phone that the capital will go toward helping them build out a fusion power future, which is different than some fission companies like Oklo. Got to go back to physics 101, I guess. Nuclear stocks, they're popping on this news. So the question is, should you, the investor, be now sort of jumping on the back of the Trump trade and back on some of these nuclear stocks? Let's talk about that and more with Tyler Rosenlicht. He is head of natural resource equities at Cohen Steers. Tyler, welcome. I guess you can comment on the DJT deal or not, but it's giving a lift to the nuclear companies today. What's your take on that group generally?
Yeah, you talk about problems in the PJM market and concerns around electricity scarcity next year. I mean, nuclear is really a resource that we think is going to be relied upon 10 years from now. So we've been of the view that we're going to be in a big nuclear renaissance, but it's going to be a long tail sort of 4-phase approach. So the first thing is, let's not shut down the existing nuclear capacity we have around the world. That's basically through. We've been, making sure that we can keep this stuff running. Phase 2 is let's actually turn on what we've turned off recently. That's things like 3 Mile Island. Clearly, there's a lot of excitement in those opportunities. Phase 3 is increasing sort of capacity at existing facilities, new brownfield opportunities. And phase 4 is really opportunities to increase electricity capacity in 2030 to 2035. That's what a lot of these opportunities are going after. They're long-tail technology investments that, if they can prove viable and most importantly, cost-effective and cost-competitive, they can be viable resources for the electricity markets 10 years from now that are going to be much needed.
I want to switch gears, Tyler, because BP, they've got a new boss, not getting a lot of attention, but BP, the British energy company, naming Meg O'Neill as CEO. O'Neill is BP's 4th CEO in 6 years. Going to be the first female CEO at BP. Tyler, it's a company, BP, that made some not so great pivots.
Poorly timed?
Yeah, on energy, kind of going all in on renewables. They're now doing the hard U-turn, going back. Stocks come back a bit. Is it too late, though, for BP?
I think we're active managers. So we spend a lot of time trying to figure out, well, who are the best management teams out there who can create value? And clearly they had a few missteps with corporate strategy. I think it's important to sort of right the ship. And if that means inviting in a new CEO to make sure you can do that, that's possibly the right strategy here. We do believe that energy demand is continuing to rise. There's going to be huge needs for all forms of energy going forward. So if you can get the strategy right, there's a lot of opportunity across the energy space.